Alright, welcome back to another video. So this one's going to be a little different. This is a 1994 center console for an M3, and it is going to be going in a 1995 M3. So we're going to be able to switch those things out. That's not going to be in this video. I'm going to show you just how to very thoroughly clean and deep clean all of this old plastic. All of this is going to come apart, and we're going to be able to thoroughly clean inside all of these little jams. So first off, I just want to say I am sorry for my posting schedule. This is not exactly what I intended. Will you get out of here? This is not what I intended. It's just so many things have come up, and I have so many little side projects going on. But this one should be an entertaining one. And for anyone that's got an M3, this is such an easy thing that you're going to be able to do in order to just butt it right up into your car. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, so excuse the AC, it is very hot in here, and I really need to keep it on because it is just doing it. It's just doing it for me. I need it. So, what we're going to do is simply, there's little tabs here, we're going to pop this thing out, pop this thing out. I'm going to keep them somewhat in their order just so I can remember how all this goes back. This in here pops out. This in here pops out. Now, for this piece, I'm going to get it in here so you can see. There's two little pin tabs down here that, if you can kind of see it, they are shaped like a little L on the bottom, so that they just snap in on the bottom. So that is going to now have to be pinched and pulled out.
Don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run. Turn left, turn right, or look straight at the sun. I'm not going to say.
Alright, so now we have that unpinched. So now we should just be able to take this, pop that, and it's a pull out. There's a little tab. Let me just show you so you can see. So right here in the front, there are, this is terrible lighting. You can kind of see it right there. There's two little tabs, so this is going to pull up, and it is just going to pull right out, like so. So those are the little lock tabs that are in the front, and that just snaps right into these two holes. So now this is the front of the center console, completely undone. So now all of this is exposed and can be thoroughly cleaned. Now for the base down here, this appears to just pop out like so, down here. Okay, so it starts off in the back. There's two little tabs that are on either side, and this just pulls up like so, and then slides right off like thus. And now for the front, this right here has a little pin tab. Wait to show you. This has a little pin tab right here. So this is going to get pulled over. It's much easier when you use a clip popping tool, so that I could just get under it and pull it out. This one is a little easier on this side. So I'm just going to pull this one out first because this is pretty much off already, like that. Now it allows me to slide over a little bit, and there you go. So that cover is now popped out. Now this can just slide and there we go. That is a completely gutted center console and the armrest. So let's get to cleaning. So I'm going to time lapse it, but before I do, I'm just going to explain what I'm doing. I'm going to be taking a little detail brush. Let me actually get it so you can see. Okay, so I have my shout, I have my cleaning brush, and I have my water. So I'm going to thoroughly scrub in between all the little crevices like so to get out some of this junk that's in here. And we're gonna thoroughly clean each individual piece. And then we're gonna dry it off, shine it up, and I'm going to finish this by sealing it with a 303 protectant. So this stuff is really good. I use this on my own personal car. And it just brings it's a rejuvenant, it brings it all back to life. This should all shine right back up to look nice and new. So, let's get into it.
Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. On to the place where all this began. To start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. Till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes.
All right, so that was a nice thorough cleaning of this M3 center console. This is how we now look. So for this particular client, they didn't want to do anything with some of the cracking that's up here. This is just all very, very old factory cracking, basically just from being aged in the car. So another thing that I did is with this 303, the aerosol 303, this is a UV protectant. So I'm just pointing out, so UV protection. So that is very, very important when you're working with interior things in the car, just because it is getting beat on all day long whenever you go and park your car somewhere. So this is a fully protected piece now, top to bottom, inside and out. All the insides, all the little jams that are in here, all have a coat of UV protection on it. And this is it. This is the final product. This is how it looks now. This piece right here has oxidized. So that's just, can't really do anything with the oxidation there unless you want to take everything fully apart and repaint it, in which this person, as far as I'm concerned, did not want to go that crazy, but they definitely wanted to go crazy enough to get a full redo on this. So this is how everything looks. I hope you enjoy. I probably just said that a million times. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this little video of a recorrection of a center console, and I will see you in the next one.